Welcome to morning Tai Chi Flow. As always, don't worry about getting the movements perfect. I'll be your mirror image. We'll begin with the feet together or as close as you can. The hands can come to the lower abdomen. Taking a nice deep breath in. And as you breathe out, the arms float down. Breathing in again, the arms float up. Circle in front as if you're gathering in energy. Bring it in towards the heart and then send it down towards the earth, sinking the chi. Breathing in, gather. Breathing out, directing down. Nice and easy, nice and slow. Just feeling all the sensations that you can. One more time, sinking the chi. And then from here, step one foot out to the side, either foot. The arms float up to about shoulder height, then the arms float down, the knees and hips soften. Breathing in like mist rising from the lake, breathing out, floating down like a gentle rain, opening the door, the start of the journey. All right, one more time, rising up, softening down. This time the arms float out to the sides like you're spreading your wings. The arms float down, the fingertips point up. Coming right up the center, begin to turn towards one side. One hand spirals forward, the other spirals behind. Coming back to center, turning the other way, making the tiger claws. Breathing in, rising up. Breathing out, letting go. One more time, the tiger claw. This time the hands keep going all the way up overhead, then they spiral out and away. The upward spirals. Breathing in as you rise up. Breathing out, letting go. Opening the shoulders and the chest. Decompressing the spine. One more time, upward spirals. And then reverse direction with the arms, floating up and over, the fingers point down, coming down the center, the hands spiral out and away, the downward spirals. Softening down towards the earth, letting go. Floating down one more time, the downward spirals. And then circle the arms in front as if you're hugging a big tree, rounding out. And then step one foot out a little bit wider. From here, the fingers point down as you soften down towards the earth. The hands come forward all the way up and over and then down in front of the body, digging in the garden. Just coming down as much as you can comfortably, rising back up. One more time, digging in the garden. And then reverse direction with the hands, floating up and over, out and down. And then coming back up the center as we harvest from the garden. Big circles with the hands, coming all the way around. One more time. And then from here, round out, hugging the tree once again. Step one foot in a little bit closer. From here, the arms open up wide, the hands float down. The backs of the hands face each other. They float up the midline of the body and then drift out to the sides, the fountain. Breathing in, rising up. Breathing out, letting go. How much can you let go? So we learn to move like water, soft but powerful. Breathing in, breathing out one more time, the fountain. And then this time the arms float up in front, draw the hands in towards the heart as you step in, and then step out to the corner as you push forwards in space. Draw the hands back in as you shift back, and then push forward, pushing the mountain. Breathing in, breathing out. One more time, pushing the mountain. This time, draw the hands in, the palms face each other, the hands go out to the corner, the palms face away from each other, they open, circling out and around, scooping under, back out to the corner, parting the clouds. Breathing in as you open, breathing out, or take as many breaths as you need. Just keep on breathing. One more time, parting the clouds. And then step the front foot back in. The hands come back in towards the heart. Shift the weight all the way over to one side. Step in, step out to the other corner, pushing the mountain. Nice and easy, nice and slow. No rush, nowhere to go. Can you be here now? Just moving mindfully. One more time, pushing the mountain. This time, draw the hands in, palms face each other. The hands go out to the corner. The palms face away from each other. They open, circling out and around, scooping under, back out to the corner, parting the clouds. See if you can feel the air between the fingers. How mindful can you be? Breathing in, breathing out one more time, parting the clouds. And then step the front foot back in, hug the tree right out in front. Then both arms drift over to the side and down, drifting side to side like tall grass in the breeze. Nice gentle sway. And then shift all your weight over to one side, tap the heel right out in front like you're testing out the water. Bring it back in, shift the weight, other side, tap the heel. All right, this time tap the heel, the hand comes over the foot. Other side, tap the heel, the hand comes over the foot. This time, hand over the foot, the other hand in front of the heart, playing the pipa, the Chinese guitar. Other side, tap the heel, the hands come out in front. Breathing in, breathing out. One more time, play the pipa, the Chinese guitar. And then step the foot in, hug the tree, step one foot out a little bit wider. From here, both arms drift all the way over to the side and down, making two loose fists. The hands circle all the way up and over and around, turning the wheel. And you can stay nice and tall if you like, or for some more challenge, you can sink down as the hands come down, and then rise back up. One more time on this side, turning the wheel. And then reverse direction with the hands floating all the way up and over and around. And just coming up as much as you can comfortably, opening the shoulders, lubricating the joints. One more time, turning the wheel. And then circle the arms in front, hug the tree, step one foot in a little bit closer, then shift all your weight over and step in. Step out to the corner, and as you step out, the arms open out to the side, the front knee bends. Then reverse direction, the front knee straightens. Cross the wrists, hinge at the hips, the arms float out to the sides. Cross the wrists again, shift forward, the front knee can bend, the arms open. We call this the butterfly. Keeping the spine nice and long, hinging from the hips, the arms float out to the sides, cross the wrists again, shift forward, and open. One more time on this side, the butterfly. Take a bow, flutter the wings. Cross the wrists, shift forward, and open. This time, step the front foot back in, hug the tree. Shift all your weight over to one side, step in, step out to the other corner, the arms open, the front knee bends. Shifting back, the front knee straightens, cross the wrists, hinge from the hips, arms float out to the sides. Cross the wrists again, shift forward, and open. The butterfly. Once again, keeping the spine long, and you don't have to go very low. Just being kind to yourself, please. Cross the wrists, shift forward, and open. One more time, the butterfly. Take a bow, spread the wings. Cross the wrists, and open. And then step the front foot back in, hug the tree. And then step one foot out a little bit wider. From here, both arms drift over to the side and down. This time the arms float up to shoulder height. One hand makes an arrow, the other draws the bow, and then soften down. Rising back up, release the bow. Other side, the other hand makes an arrow, draw the bow, soften down. All right, this time you can do it all together. Draw the bow as you soften down. One more time on the other side, the archer. And then release, circle around, hugging the tree. Step one foot in a little bit closer. From here, both arms drift over to the side and down, making two loose fists. One fist goes overhead, the other by the waist. And then switching sides, leaning over to the side going up, and you can gently turn if you like to. The tiger hugs its head. This time you can even lift your leg if you like, touching down as needed. Other side. touching down or lifting up, just meeting yourself where you're at. You can always go forward from there. One more time, the tiger hugs its head. And then both arms reach up overhead, circling down, all the way in front, hugging the tree. From here, the arms open up wide, the fingertips drift towards each other, the hands float down, palms press behind. Then the palms face forward as we scoop up the energy and the breath, letting it wash through the body. Scooping under, breathing in, the arms float up, and then breathing out. We call this the bathing breath, as if we're bathing in this healing energy, giving us healing and vitality. Breathing in, breathing out. One more time, the bathing breath. And then circle the arms in front, hugging the tree. Step one foot out a little bit wider. From here, the hands come together in front of the heart as you soften down. Then the fingertips guide the way as they go out to the side. Then they scoop around the other way as the dragon pierces the clouds, going side to side, gentle rotation, never forcing it, just easing in. And you can continue to go just side to side, or if you like, the hands can begin to drift up towards the mountain peak, and then going down towards the base of the mountain, and then tuning into the body and moving in any way that would feel great for you right now. The spontaneous dragon, just letting the energy guide you, just bringing curiosity to your experience. All right, one more time, spontaneous dragon. And then release, round out, hugging the tree. Step one foot in a little bit closer. From here, the arms open up wide, the hands float down. The palms face up, one hand on top of the other. And this hand floats all the way up and over, down the center line of the body. Other side, breathe in as the hand floats up. Breathing out, centering. Creating mental focus and clarity. Calming the heart, calming the mind. One more time, centering. This time, both arms float all the way up and over, just as much as you can. The hands float down to the waist as you soften down. Then circle the hands in front as if you had a big ball right in front of the body, coming under, back up to the heart, and down. One more time, opening the heart, rising up, softening down. This time making a diamond shape right in front of the heart with the hands, and then press out, sending out all your loving kindness to the world. May all beings be free from suffering. May they be happy. May they be healthy. May they live with ease. And then turning your palms to face yourself, the hands come to the heart. May I be kind to myself. May I feel connected with all beings. May I love myself just as I am. And the hands can float down to the lower abdomen. You can step your feet together or as close as you can. You can close your eyes or just keep a soft gaze, letting your body rock and sway ever so slightly, bamboo in the wind. Just feeling the sensations in the body. Feel the sensations of the breath. And then bring your attention into your heart, creating an inner smile, expressing gratitude to yourself for being here today. And then if your eyes are closed, you can slowly open them. The hands can float down, taking a moment to feel into the body and just notice how you feel. And then you can continue to stand or you can have a seat as we finish with your poem of the day. This poem is one that I made called The Flow Within. In the stillness, a river flows, an open heart where compassion grows, a gentle shift to feel inside, the flow within, a gentle tide. The earth beneath, the sky above, roots us down and lifts our love. Moving slow, the heart takes flight, a dance with shadows, embracing light. From seed to bloom, through gentle sway, we find ourselves along the way. Together we stand As the journey starts, Tai Chi connects both mind and hearts. Thank you so much for watching. If you like that, this class is part of our free 5-day morning Tai Chi challenge. Just click the first link in the video description below to sign up for free, and I'll send you all the details and the challenge calendar.